The Department of Correctional Services has been bolstered with 93 new officers. They were presented at a passing out parade ceremony at the Carl Rattress Staff College in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. State Minister in the Ministry of National Security, Xavier Main, who spoke at the graduation ceremony, warned the officers about consequences if they go against their training. Shamela Pullen has the details.
A significant milestone in the career of these new recruits to the correctional services. But the true test of their learning will come when they are integrated in the system. State Minister in the Ministry of National Security, Xavier Main, has pointed to the multiple decade-long issue of correctional officers and convicts engaging in illegal practices and cautioned the new recruits against this.
There are rogue officers within the service who facilitate what we call prohibited articles within our correctional facilities. I want to be the first to advise you, to caution you, do not get involved into any such practice. Because if you are caught, not only are you likely to compromise your job, but you could get prison time if you are convicted.
Mr. Main says a comprehensive review of the Corrections Act and the corrections rules is near completion.
Some of the changes which are intended to be included in the amendments are the introduction of a case management framework, introduction of an electronic system for the management of offenders, provisions for children to visit their parents in the correctional centers, mandatory participation in rehabilitation programs.
With this new modernized correctional system, he adds technology, surveillance, and intelligence will also be heavily utilized. The latest batch of graduates pushes the overall number of correctional officers in the island close to the 4,000 mark.
So my new correctional officers, you are being entrusted to provide for a tradition of excellence, to work as a part of a team providing the requisite diligence in the exercise of your duty to both juvenile and adult offenders. Be focused, dedicated, and be resilient. Continue to serve and to guide.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.